So today we're with Aston.
How's it going?
And he's brought along this beautiful stage 3 Abarth 595. So Aston's going to talk us through the car and then we're going to get some shots on board, take it through some tunnels. Let's rock on with it.
595, I think originally about 160 brake, loads of modifications. Tubular manifolds, induction kit, which is down the bottom. We've got buckets, massive Adedmundson turbo. It's pushing, I think, 305 horsepower. Stage 3 clutch, LSD. No back seats, and then upgraded brakes, Bilstein coilovers, exhaust, of course decat and full system. It really just is a sleeper. It looks like a standard Abarth minus the seats. You wouldn't really tell.
And what colour is it?
Blue.
Blue, just blue, yeah. It's a really nice shade of blue. Really nice shade of blue. You don't really see many in that colour.
No, well the last one I had was the same colour. Coincidentally, it was the same colour. But yeah, it looks well. I do like the colour. It's a wicked car.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm a big fan of these anyway, always have been. This one I bought like this from somebody, but the last one I actually did it myself. That's the power down, not bad for front wheel drive, it does get the power down.
Yeah.
The LSD definitely helps a lot.
A lot, yeah.
For sure, yeah, absolutely, for sure.
So is it a custom built exhaust, did you say?
I think it's a Scorpion exhaust,
Scorpion, yeah.
which is a cat back. Obviously it's got decat as well.
Yeah.
And then tubular manifolds as well, so custom manifolds been made for it. And that's what really makes it sound.
Yeah.
It sounds amazing. I mean, you'll see it. It does sound wicked. Three silencers.
3 silencers and it's that loud.
Yeah, we need to take them off.
Get it popping and banging some flames, yeah?
Yeah, it'll do a lot more with the silencers off.
Yeah.
At least one of them. Or maybe just the 2 back boxes.
Oh, it sounds incredible, especially when it's oncoming around there, around the bend.
Maybe we should do some mods.
Yeah? Do another video when
it's for sale. It's for sale.
Yeah.
We'll see.
How much is it for at the moment?
It's AC approved, limited. If you go on Instagram, you'll see it on the website. 12,995. Come with warranty, inspected and prepped. So yeah, it's a great car for the money. 34,000 miles, 2017, HPI clear. It's a great car for the money. It's had receipts for there's over £10,000 in receipts for it.
£10,000?
Yeah, it's had big money spent on it.
Yeah, a lot of money.
It's a proper build. Adedmundson though,
Yeah.
best in the business, clearly.
Sounds like a rally car.
Yeah, it does.
It literally is, yeah.
The tubular manifold, I think it changes the sound of the car.
They've gone all electric now, the Abarths, haven't they?
Don't know, you know.
I swear they stopped producing the petrol ones and switched over to electric.
Oh yeah?
Oh, it's good. The top speed's slow.
They've done that with the new Renault 5. I actually really like that though.
Yeah.
I look to get one.
Yeah, the looks of it are great.
They look so smart.
Do you like your rally cars?
I just like anything that you can hurt yourself in.
But yeah. Probably feel that turbo kick in.
Yeah, you can. A lot, isn't there? A lot of lag. And then it goes.
That's insane, honestly. Wow, mate. Tunnel time. That handle's mad.
Yeah.
Like, you just don't feel it lose grip.
It grips well.
Yeah.
It's been set up properly.
It's like a train on a track. It just doesn't slip at all. Mad.
It's on Bilstein coilovers.
Yeah.
And proper tyres as well.
Yeah.
It does handle really well.
Yeah. So tunnel run 2.
There we go.
Might get a pop or a bang out of it and
We'll
shift
see,
it.
we'll redline it and see.
Come on. Let's hear it.
good, yeah, 'cause it just looks like standard Abarth.
It does, yeah.
Sleeper.
It comes alive when you put the foot down.
Proper sleeper, yeah.
Yeah.
The induction kit's actually down by the bumper down there. That's why you got so much, you know, induction noise. The clutch is like on off.
Yeah, yeah.
Stage 3 is like either on or off.
On or off. It's a bit like a race car.
Yeah, exactly.
When people think of a Fiat, they think of that in front.
Yeah.
Not something like this.
Hairdresser's car.
Yeah,
Bill's
that's
car.
it.
I think they're one of the best sounding cars you can get. They sound wicked.
Yeah. Even from the factory, they sound great.
They sound good. Exactly, yeah.
That's sweet, that.
V8.
92, yeah.
I've had one of them. Wicked cars, actually.
Yeah.
Probably one of my favourite V8s, that. I prefer that to the C63.
Really?
Yeah. Nice.
Fancy, innit? GT12.
Nice.
Makes the journey a bit more worth it, seeing stuff like that, doesn't it?
The journey down was worth it.
Was it? Good roads?
Yeah,
Motorways,
good
well,
fun
yeah.
on the way.
Yeah. Yeah, that's... Tell you what, for a front wheel drive car, you can turn it about quite a bit with the
Yeah,
power
it's
on.
got LSD as well.
Yeah, oh, that.
So
yeah,
it helps loads. Like the other one I had didn't have LSD. It's made a massive difference. You can really tell. She goes well, like.
You know, I've been in a few cars that are kind of stock or just got an exhaust on them,
Yeah.
running around 200 brake, and this just delivers the power so well. You wouldn't know it had 300 brake because it just
It's because it doesn't weigh
locks
anything.
in. Yeah.
Like the power to weight ratio, I think it is about 300 horsepower per turn. Which you don't get in any cars
Yeah.
now.
Oh, you don't.
You think Golf R, 300 horsepower standard, they're quick.
Yeah. What bigger car? Much
Way
bigger.
more, yeah, exactly. They're nowhere near 300 horsepower per turn.
And then without the rear seats as well.
Yeah.
Have all that weight. Yeah. Fantastic.
And it has been dialed in really well, to be fair. Like my other one, that was tuned at AGT in Carnarvon.
Yeah.
Sean, yeah, the guy who did it, he's amazing, to be fair. I just told him, make it bang and turn it up to the max, basically.
Yeah.
Which he did. He did a really good job. This is obviously ADE, who are
Yeah.
really well known in the Abarth tuning anyway.
Yeah.
This is dialed in well.
Very well. Very well.
I wonder how much more we could turn it up.
Is it on stock internals?
Yeah, yeah. I was thinking about just sending it until it blows, to be honest.
Yeah.
But the other one's still going, and Josh is loving it, and that bangs like say massive flames out the back.
So you're after that again? Some of the flames.
I like that. I'm a big kid at heart, so.
The blow off on it as well.
Yeah, it's because the induction's literally right down there.
Seamless. There's no drama at all. No drama on the power.
No, it does hold well. Holds well, to be fair.
Yeah, it does.
You know, because it's a 1.4,
It launches as
it does
well.
put you in the
Yeah.
seat, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Such a tiny engine. Wow. Bet you've had a good test of the ride quality on the bumps around here.
Fucking hell.
Potholes and all that.
Battered it.
Oh,
Fucking
it's
hell.
bad, isn't it? It's awful.
That's my own fault.
It's alright. Look at that. Rolls Royce.
Nice.
You know, you need 2 cameras when you're around here, don't you? One for talking and
Fucking
people don't
wicked.
know what
One
you
for
see.
spotting.
Yeah, yeah, that's it, yeah. Oh. It's been tested a bit, hasn't it?
Yeah,
Suspension,
well, yeah.
the power. Another roller.
Yeah.
And that's the one from before, isn't it?
Yeah, same one. That means where's the
Zebra.
SLR? Not there.
Oh. Tell you what, I'm yanking that off there and turning it around if that SLR comes. Nah, I'm just kidding. Hold on. It's like a BM, didn't it?
Huh?
BM.
That was them then.
Skoda. He's going to dawdle along and he's
Quite busy here, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Stock, modified.
Yeah. That's what we're actually in.
Yeah.
One of them.
This guy don't want to budge, does he?
It's typical Skoda, thinks he's the police.
Yeah.
Just fucking run the roads. Does he know we've got a hairdresser's appointment to get to? Come on. You can hear the exhaust mount
you
touching
can.
the thing.
Yeah, you can hear it
Touching the
rattling.
body.
Yeah, proper trap monster, isn't it?
Yeah. It grips really well.
Yeah,
In the roundabouts and the corners, that's where it really comes to life.
it does. Yeah, it's they're a lot sketchier than these, aren't they? Them. Got the backfire there.
Yeah.
Fucking hell!
He's in that! It's quick, isn't it?
Weighs what in it?
Big turbo, yeah.
I'm 500 brake.
Yeah.
300.
300.
That gets
Yeah.
going though, doesn't it?
I have the most fun in this of all my cars, like.
Oh, the Ventadore's been pulled.
Has it?
Even the sound, like if you just drive it carefully, it kind of blends in with normal traffic.
Yeah. I say it's been set up properly. It's not a boy racer car.
No,
You know, like it's a bloody track weapon.
Yeah, it's got a purpose to it.
Yeah.
It's a high squeeze there, isn't it?
Not in this car, mate.
I forget, yeah.
Maybe if we were in the Defender, yeah. It wouldn't have fit through, just smashed the side of it off.
A big thank you to Aston from AC Approved Limited for bringing down the Abarth. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, it really helps out my channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Lots of awesome car content is on the way. Thanks for watching to the end, and I'll see you next time.